In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, if we go over to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website at www.xbox.com/play, we look for Fortnite and we try to play it, we're going to get this warning: we need to connect a controller. Now, the way to bypass this and play with a keyboard and mouse is use this extension by David Idle. As you can see, it's called Keyboard and Mouse for Xbox Cloud, and it's available on the Chrome Web Store, but you can also find this on other web browsers like Microsoft Edge. All you have to do is add this extension to Chrome. So go ahead, add the extension. So you have successfully added the extension to Google Chrome or any other web browser that you are using. Make sure you reload the Xbox Cloud Gaming page, and you are going to get this pop-up: Welcome to Keyboard and Mouse for xCloud. Use the extension pop-up to configure the extension and set up your keybinds. So select Understood, and I recommend you open up the extension tab and you make sure you set it up properly. As you can see, you can use a trial for 3 days, but it is a paid solution. So after you register by using your email, you will be able to select play, just select continue anyway. And as long as you have the extension properly set up and your trial or your subscription active, you will be able to start playing with a keyboard and mouse inside of Xbox Cloud Gaming. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox Cloud Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.